from a very small town in New Mexico, and there's a lot of sand, but there's sun and wide open spaces and a lot of wind. It's pretty much the perfect place, you'd think, for having solar energy and wind power. And when you have the solar panels, the dust blows on them, and then you don't get as much energy. So my idea is to clean them off by floating them up, and then the wind would blow it away. And it's not in a full-size model yet, but I'm hoping to get it there. Well, my school has recognized me. There's a lot of people that I'm hoping to get more into science because they really think that getting somewhere is good, and the science does help with that. And they're seeing that where I don't have a lot of opportunities and I have gone places and they can do it too. I have been to Washington, D.C. for the National Science Fair. I went to New Jersey for the National Young Inventors, and now I've been here. I've never actually been out of Peralta before Washington, D.C., so to me that was really great. And I just got to see the ocean just like yesterday or the day before, which was amazing.